Okay, so you just bought your hot tub, you've added water, you got the electric hooked up, it's heating up, and now it's time to do chemicals. I'm only gonna go over the chlorine section of this part. This is called a flippin' frog. What it does is distributes chlorine in your hot tub for you. This is the product I recommend. Over time, this frog, as you see, will flip over. That's when the chlorine runs out. How long does it last? Well, you've got a mineral cartridge and a chlorine cartridge. The chlorine cartridge, as seen here, will last about 3 to 4 weeks. The mineral cartridge, right here, will last about 4 months. We also sell, you can also get a 3-pack of the chlorine cartridge. If you purchase the 3-pack and your standard pack here, these 4 plus this one here will last you 4 months together. So to see what I'm getting at, it's important to order this guy right here soon. On top of the chlorine cartridge, it has an adjustment you can use. That's going to talk about how many gallons your hot tub has versus what number it should be on. It goes all the way from 1 to 4. So the higher the number, the more chlorine it distributes into your hot tub. When you get your hot tub up and running and up to temperature and you're adding this in, it also comes with a product called Jump Start. This is a granular chlorine. It spikes the level of your chlorine, and then the frog will maintain the level of chlorine for you. So it's important that you use this during every time you do a drain and refill. The kit will also come with test strips. 30 test strips will tell you how much chlorine you need to keep balanced, alkalinity, pH, and calcium. It comes with a fancy little how-to setup, and paperwork for you as well. If you purchase from us, we'll include all of this. We also include a few videos as well. I personally like to have a chlorine granular on hand. There's a lot of different brands. This one here is called Clear Spa. It's about 2 pounds. The reason I like having this is because you need to have chlorine in your system at all times. If your flippin' frog is flipping over and running out, you have 24 hours to then add chlorine to your spa. And if you don't have another replacement, or you ordered one online and you just don't have time to make it to the store today, well, there you go. Chlorine granular to the rescue. Just add about a tablespoon or 2 to your tub every day or every other day, depending on your size, and that'll help scoot you by until you need more. If you're using your frog system and you notice that your chlorine level is really low, always really low, that means you need to turn up the level on the frog. If you're using it and you notice it's usually really high, well, that means you need to turn it down. If you turn it down to the lowest setting and it's still really high, then what I like to do is take the whole frog system out of the tub for 12 hours, set it to the side, and let that chlorine drop, and then put it back in. That's gonna be about it. Thank you.